Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam, siang, pagi, siapapun yang bakal nonton video ini. So, let me introduce our group first. We are from group 3, lecturer Miss Healthy from Institute Teknologi of Kalimantan, and myself my name is Arafrol Jugur Praharjo, student ID 1311, and from environment engineer. So, for the others, you can introduce yourself. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Rafatul Mafira. My ID student, student ID, my student ID is 1363, and I am engineer engineer. Next.
Hello, my name is Altres Markelensis. Student ID number student ID 0605. Next.
My name is Anastasia Ampang. My student ID is 012010005. Next.
Okay, my name is Tiara Iris Putri. My student number 0131. I'm from B6.
Okay, thank you for the introduce. So, let me open this presentation. Our presentation today is about what causing the vaccine in ASEAN came late. So, it's about the relationship between ideas, and our presentation is what's causing vaccine delay in some Asian countries. These are from the bbc.com that relate the article we get from the Google. So, for the first person is the relationship, class, and general specific. Okay guys, you can start the presentation. This is the summary of the text of the presentation from our task that we just complete. The first one is relationship class and brought by Nurlailatul. Nurlailatul, come on, go present this presentation.
Okay, so first is the relationship class. In first is month. It's January, February, March, December. Next country, Australia, India, Japan, Pakistan, and then this is behavior of those measles in occultation, mumps, and rubella. So, next. So next, relationships, general specifics. This Asians is Cambodia, China, India, Japan, Pakistan, Philippines, South Timor, Thailand, and Vietnam. Okay. Next.
So the next metric is place and time from the text above. The first one is place. The first sentence is an estimated 160 million COVID-19 vaccination have been administered so far globally, but most of that has been in the US and Europe. And then vaccination programs are steadily progressing in places like India. And then in the Philippines, many still recall the scare around the vaccine dengue fascia. In Pakistan too, fear is a factor. And the last one, but this is largely down to misinformation and some particularly effective viral videos. And the time part is our vaccination programs are steadily progressing in places like India, which is say it has administered around 14 million doses since January. Next, introduced in 2060 to inoculate against dengue fever. And then 2 years later, it was suddenly suspended due to fears of side effects. And then China's Sinovac vaccine arrived in country on 28 February. And then Manila, the drive was supposed to have begun on 15 February. And then, last but not least, Japan insists on additional testing and only began vaccination on 17 February. The next metric is sequence, and I will share this presentation with my friend Altris. So first, Manila. The drive was supposed to have begun on 15 February, but this did not happen when shipments on Pfizer, BioNTech, and AstraZeneca, both approved for emergency use. And second is did not arrive in time. That's it from me, and Altris, it's your turn to present. Thank you. Anyway, sorry for the miscommunication and the connection instability. My friend who shared the screen have some problem, so we just wait till the share screen is in good condition. Thank you. And maybe Altris, you can go prepare your material to present. Thank you.
So question. Manila the drive was supposed to have begun on 15 February, but this did not happen. When statements on user BioNTech and AstraZeneca, both approved for emergency use, did not arrive in time. In Pakistan too, fear is a factor, but this is largely down to misinformation and some particularly effective viral videos. Next.
Okay, this is part relationship of analogy. One on viral video from 2020, a private school teacher is shown shooting frantically and gesturing to a group of boys who are seemingly passing out. He blames the polio vaccine, saying that the children are unconscious and berates officials for forcing them to administer it. A mob burned down a clinic as a result. The video and others like it have long contributed to the declining rates of polio vaccine in the country. Even though they have been debunked and removed from social media, millions had already watched them.
Number 2, Dr. Riko Muranaka, a researcher with the Kyoto University School of Medicine, feels there has been a lack of a cohesive strategy to explain the importance of the vaccine to the public, but also that the sensationalist headlines on vaccine mishaps in the past have a similar effect as the more recent online-driven anti-vaxxer campaign. Okay, next. I'll talk about relationship cause and effect. In the Asian region, vaccination programs are steadily progressing in places like India, which says it has administered around 15 million doses since January. In other countries, however, vaccine programs are either yet to begin or are still at a very early stage. The reasons of this have been varied, ranging from an abundance of caution to high levels of vaccine strategies. We look at some of the countries in this situation and the different reasons behind it. Okay, next.
Okay, next, in other Asian countries where vaccine programs are just getting off the ground, officials and experts say that's down to caution rather than hesitancy. Many of these nations have been largely, largely able to control the pandemic and feel they have the luxury of time. Catherine Bennett, an epidemiologist at Australia's Deakin University, was quoted by the Associated Press news agency as saying, by waiting, these countries have been able to get data on things like what happens in cases of accidental overdosage and how it impacts pregnant women without exposing their own populations to the risks. Okay, Arab.
Okay, thank you, Lela and others. That's all our presentation today in this relationship between ideas. Um, that's all. I'm gonna close this presentation today. Thank you very much for the attention and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.